In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Vimeo online video editor. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Vimeo and sign in to your account. This is pretty straightforward. Just enter your credentials, and you'll be all set to access the video editing features that Vimeo offers. Once you're logged in, head over to the top navigation bar and look for the plus Create button. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and here, you'll select the option that says Video Project. By clicking this, the Vimeo video editor will automatically open, ready for you to unleash your creativity. Now, when the editor opens, you'll be greeted with an option that lets you either start from scratch or select a template. Starting from scratch gives you a blank canvas to work with, allowing you complete creative freedom. However, if you want to save some time or need inspiration, using a template can be a delightful option. Once you've made your selection, it's time to add some media to your project. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a tab labeled Media. Click on that, and from here you can upload a video, photo, or any other media file that you want to include in your project. This could be clips you've shot, or images that you want to enhance your storytelling. After you've uploaded your media, the next step is to add it to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag your clips from the media section and drop them onto the timeline. If you need to change the order of the clips for better storytelling, you can easily do that. Just click and drag any clip along the timeline to rearrange them as you please. Now let's talk about trimming your clips. It's important that your final video flows smoothly, so you might want to cut down some clips to keep them concise. To do this, hover over the edge of a clip on the timeline, then click and drag to trim it to your desired length. You can also move the playhead, a little ticker that shows where you are in the video, to the exact point you want to make a cut. Once you've found that spot, simply use the Split option to divide the clip. Sometimes, after viewing your timeline, you might find sections that don't quite fit. Don't worry, just select the unwanted clip and hit Delete. It's a simple step but crucial for cleaning up your project. To enhance your video further, you can add text. Click on the Text option, which will allow you to insert titles or captions that can help depict the message you want to convey. Similarly, the Graphics section will let you pop in visual elements that can make your video more engaging. Audio is another key ingredient in compelling video content. So let's not forget to add some background music or another audio track. Click on the Audio tab to explore Vimeo's selection or upload your own music files to set the right mood for your video. Now, to customize individual clips directly, just select a clip on the timeline. You'll see editing controls appear, allowing you to crop, fit, apply animations, adjust volume, or even replace the clip if needed. Fine-tuning these details can take your editing to the next level. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to review your timeline one last time. Make any final adjustments, ensuring everything flows perfectly and looks great. Finally, when you're happy with your creation, don't forget to save the project. Your completed video will be saved directly to your Vimeo library, making it accessible whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the Vimeo online video editor to create, edit, and share stunning videos. Happy editing, and I hope to see you